Hello from Farland. Oh yeah. Mystery. No, it's not a turntable. Today I would like to say hi, a special hi to my subscribers and viewers in Australia and Czechia and Zimbabwe. Looks like we've got at least one viewer down in Zimbabwe who watches the channel on occasion. Czechia, yeah, we've got several folks there in Czechia that watch. And Australia, oh yeah, we have quite a bit. In fact, 6.1% of the people that watch my channel are in Australia. And as you might have guessed, the bulk of those folks that watch are in the United Kingdom. However, the United States is catching up fast. It's now at 30% and gaining. It used to be 2%, way at the bottom of the list, but it has been gaining lately. And that's good to see. It's good to see people from all over interested in what I'm doing. The mystery. The mystery is essentially going to be the subject of this video. This is a power supply. It's regulated, very powerful, 12 volt DC, 30 amps, 30 amps, not 3.0, but 30. There are three 12 volt taps, each one with 10 amps. Truth is, I have so many devices pulling on my little wall warts or power adapters, whatever you want to call them, the things that plug into the wall and then you get 12 volts out of. Well, you know, they're usually an amp and a half, maybe 2.5 or 3 even on the more expensive ones. But I have half a dozen of them, and I'm still running out of juice. So this guy is going to replace them all when I get done. I'm only going to replace one of them with this today, but I am going to get it installed and start it up. It's fan cooled. Automatic fan cooled. You can dial in, probably can't see it right down there, but there is an adjustment pot, and you can dial in what voltage you want between 10 volts and 13.5 volts or so. And I have it dialed in for my house current at exactly 12. Now, I guess that might come in handy as power consumption is used up. I might be able to tweak this just a little bit and bring the voltage up around to the various places it's being used, because I use 12 volts for lots of things. I use it for my controls, my signals. My lighting is all 12 volt DC. All those tortoise motors, and I have 27 of them, are all 12 volts DC. And you know, the way those tortoise motors work, they swing and they keep pressure over here. Not much. They dial down the amount of power consumption, you know, once they've reached full throw, but they still keep a little pressure over there. And when I turn the power on in the morning, you can actually hear them all snugging up and tightening up in their positions. So that takes a little current. And what generally happens is lights dim LEDs dim, but LEDs are rather sensitive because at some point they go out, they don't light. Now I had that problem with some new LEDs I wanted to install, and I just didn't have enough juice to get it lit. So I bought this some time ago, but I'm going to install it today. Got 2 ears on, and put the other 2 on. There we go. So I'm going to replace this 2.5 amp power supply. The next time I'm back here, instead of fumbling around trying to look on that side at the imprinted writing, I've just put a minus and a plus, indicated that these 3 terminals are positive and these 3 below are negative, and the ones below that are 110. We'll say 120 volt. Might come back and do that with my labeler later. But for now, okay, I landed the negative lead, and now I'm landing the positive lead. Pretty simple. I put a spade on there. You probably haven't noticed this. This is a scale model scenery kit. It's a lot of cutting to do. Something else to try to delight the eye are these footlights along the footbridge. They sort of leave pools of light along there. Unfortunately, LEDs are quite large. But from here and in the dark, they really look good.